Jeffrey wants to earn money. He's very impatient about it. He wants it fast. So he searches on YouTube best ways to earn money fast, and he watches some videos. He decided that he will do this top second thing. If it doesn't work, he will do that top third thing. And he tried the second thing for just 2 days, and he said that it's not working. But Jeffrey, it's not gonna work in 2 days. And he went to third one, then he went to fourth one, then he went to fifth one, and he didn't make any progress in any of them. In the end, he just failed and wasted his time. Adonis. Adonis is a man who works hard. He's in need of money right now. So instead of thinking about earning passive income, he thinks about long term. He thinks of a lifetime business. Then he thinks about it deeply. He figure it out what he wants to do, what he likes to do. He set up a business for it, and he works on it. He works very hard on it. He's doing delayed gratification right now. He's working very hard, working deliberately right now, and he will earn much more money later. As expected, he becomes a very successful man. I used to think of making money fast too till last year. I wasted so much of my time. I watched so many YouTube videos. I read so many articles on Google about top income ideas online and stuff like that. My mind was just so unsettled. It wasn't resting on one place. Like, I wouldn't research about one thing. I would just keep on watching videos. One YouTuber would tell me these 5 things, second YouTuber will tell me these 5 things, and they both have 2 things in common, but the third YouTuber doesn't tell me about these 2 things. So I said, nah, I don't know what I was doing. And the worst part is, I wasn't even taking any action. I was just watching videos, frying my mind. In the end, I burned myself up. I was a Jeffrey basically. Now, I'm working on YouTube. In the end of January this year, I started my YouTube channel, and on 1st February, I uploaded my videos. I thought that I will upload every week, but I wasn't consistent with it. Like in May and June, between these 2, I missed 1 month total. But now things have changed and my mindset has changed too. So instead of being a Jeffrey, you should think about long term. You should not think about passive income, think about active income. You won't live a life of your desire from passive income. Like, at least I wouldn't, and the people I know wouldn't. You should have a clear vision of the future. How you want things to turn out. Yeah, sure, things doesn't go as planned, but at least you would have a foundation. Forget about fast money. It will make your decisions less efficient. Instead, just think of long term. What you actually want to do. What you want to do with your life. What you like to do. Research on that. Figure it out. I will tell you how you can figure it out. Just stop watching YouTube videos for now. Stop watching Instagram reels or reading random articles. Instead, just sit with yourself. Think yourself. Let your mind doze off and listen to yourself. What you actually want to do. Think about what work would you be doing even when you are not making money. The work which will make you happy. Work on it. If you are anything like me, you would think of making money online, working online. So think about that. And once you have figured it out, then go to YouTube videos, then go to articles and research about that one thing. Forget other things, just focus on your thing. focus on the business you want to do. I did the same myself, and making YouTube videos, making educational YouTube videos makes me happy because I am providing value to others. I'm sharing my experience and what I have learned. I'm sharing my mistakes so that other won't do, even if there are no views. I have fulfillment with this work. And if I seriously wanted to make money fast, I wouldn't think of making money online. Instead, I would get a job where I could go late and work on my business while there at the job. Like, think about it. If I can go late to the job, I can complete my work of the day before going it. Waking up early and recording videos, waking up early scripting videos. Then at job I would script my videos, edit my videos, upload my videos, and I would learn for my videos. Yeah, sure, you are being a snitch, but it won't be for long, right? You want the serious, you want the money right now, and you are working on your business. And eventually, after some time, you would leave the job because you're making progress in your business. You started earning from it. I don't have any experience with jobs, so I won't talk about it more. The reason I made this video is I have gone through it. I have gone through the feeling of making money, feeling very impatient about it, having a very unsettled mind, which is just searching for more and more and more, and actually taking any action. I understand how frustrating is that. I was getting so many dopamine hits from watching these top side hustles for students videos. I fried my brain with that. Now I don't want the same for you. Now I understand what I need to do, what I like to do, what I want to do. And it's about time you should do now. Thanks for watching. I will always be rooting for you.